So this question looks like it's going to be a diagram question. Any question that provides some visual input, I'm going to call a diagram. So we have a table here. But also, looking at the actual question itself, it's more than 4 lines long. So most likely, I'm going to have to use some translate word problem strategy here as well. Let's deal with the table first. So the information under the table says, as a literature major in college, Sean has read books written by a variety of European authors. The table above shows the numbers of books written by British, French, and German authors that Sean has read, categorized by the century in which the books were written. Okay, so I see exactly what we just read there, right? So I see the century, so we have 19th century and 20th century, and then the nationality of the author, British, French, or German. So let's look at the actual question here. If a book referred to by the table that was written in the 20th century is to be selected at random, the probability that the book was written by a British author is 15 over n. Okay, so what did we just read? If we're focusing only on the 20th century, which is here, the probability of choosing at random a British book is 15 over n. Well, on this test, on the SAT, anytime we see the word probability, we should expect a fraction. The numerator of that fraction is what I want. In this case, I want British authors. The denominator, which is 15, right? So we were told that, and we already saw that in the table. The denominator is what I have, right? What am I choosing from? And the question says that we're only choosing from books written in the 20th century. So what I have here from the books written in the 20th century that Sean has read is 15 plus 3, which is 18, plus 10, which is 28, which makes my denominator equal to 28. So that means this n is equal to 28. So the question goes on to say, which of the following best describes n in this context? All right, well, we know what n is, so let's see what answer choice matches what we already know. Choice A, the total number of books referred to by the table. So 28 is the total number of books referred to by the table in the 20th century, not the total number of books in the whole table. So choice A is gone, right? Because choice A would include the 19th century. Choice B, the number of books referred to by the table that were written in the 20th century. Absolutely yes, right? Choice B is definitely the correct answer. Nothing else can be better than that. But I make a habit to read all my answer choices just in case I'm wrong. Choice C, the number of books referred to by the table that were written by British authors. Absolutely not, right? We're not choosing from books written by British authors. We're choosing from books written in the 20th century. That's what our n value is for the what I have denominator. Choice D, the number of books referred to by the table that were written by either French authors or German authors. Absolutely not, right? Again, we're focusing on the 20th century across all authors. So our correct answer here is choice B.